Miss Y for Maker Monday, and I am here to do a... Did you hear that? What was that noise? I'm gonna get my flashlight and I'm gonna go investigate. That's what that was. You can come up with your own story about what that noise was, but I'm going to show you how to make a project just like this. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a normal pencil, a black permanent ink marker like a Sharpie, a pair of scissors, a clear page protector, 2 pieces of normal white copy paper, and 1 piece of black construction paper. First, we're going to draw the scene. Think about what it is you're going to draw. What was that noise? Was it raccoons in the backyard digging for trash and having a party? Maybe it was something else. You're the artist. You get to decide what noise that was. Use your imagination. Add as much details as you want, but this is going to be just a guide for us to trace later on, so don't worry about shading or extra teeny tiny details right now. Now that we have the scene drawn, we're going to put this piece of paper into the plastic paper protector. Now make sure to do it this way so the opening is on the bottom and we slide our paper up into the page protector. Next, we're going to trace everything that we drew. Use a Sharpie because if you use a water-based marker like Crayola, that ink is going to wipe off of plastic. So be sure to use a permanent marker. You might need a smaller marker for the tiny details. You might need a thicker marker for bigger details. If you want to leave something out or add something new, now is a great time to do that. I have an idea. I'll add a garden hose. Looks good. Next, take your other piece of paper. It's time to draw our flashlight. Take your Sharpie and draw a nice big rectangle. This will be the handle. Draw something on it to represent the power button. Next, we're going to draw the part of the flashlight that's a little bit bigger than the handle. And finally, the beams of light that come out. I'm drawing them kind of at a diagonal. Next, we're going to cut it out. Try to keep the black outline as you're cutting it out. You might want to add extra details or colors on the flashlight itself, but make sure to keep the light beam totally white. Now it's time to remove the piece of white paper with your pencil drawing and replace it with the black piece of paper. Now my black paper is bigger than this white piece of paper. It's not going to fit in the page protector, so I am going to use my white piece of paper as a guide to tell me how big this black construction paper needs to be. I'm tracing my white paper onto the black paper so that I know exactly what size it should be. Then I can cut along those lines. Now I'm going to slide the black paper into the page protector. Again, make sure you're sliding in from the bottom and sliding it all the way up. Now get your flashlight and let's test it. This optical illusion is like seeing in the dark. Very cool! That was really fun. See you next time!